Discover how dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of passive income, improving your financial security. This guide will take you through the basics and help you start investing wisely. Understanding dividend stocks is crucial for building wealth. Learn the fundamentals of dividend investing and how to identify the best stocks for your portfolio. Investing in dividend stocks has its benefits, including compounding returns and cash flow. Explore the advantages of incorporating dividend stocks into your investment strategy. Learn how to evaluate dividend stocks using key metrics. This includes understanding the dividend yield, payout ratio, and the company's history of dividend payments. Selecting the right dividend stocks can significantly impact your portfolio. Discover the criteria for identifying high-quality dividend-paying companies. Diversification is essential in any investment strategy. Learn why diversifying your dividend stock investments across different sectors is important for risk management. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate your wealth-building journey. Understand the power of compounding and how to set up a dividend reinvestment plan. TRIP. Know the risks associated with dividend investing, including market fluctuations and company performance. Being aware of these risks is crucial for informed decision-making. Tax implications are an important factor in dividend investing. Learn how dividends are taxed and strategies to minimize your tax burden. Finding reliable resources for dividend stock research is key to your success. Explore websites, tools, and communities that can help you stay informed. Create a long-term investment plan focused on dividend stocks. Setting financial goals and timelines will help you stay on track. Understand the importance of a company's dividend history when selecting stocks. A long history of consistent payments often indicates stability. Learn how to monitor your dividend stock portfolio effectively. Regular check-ins and adjustments are essential for maintaining your investment strategy. Join dividend investing communities to share insights and strategies. Networking with other investors can provide valuable information and encouragement. Explore the concept of blue-chip dividend stocks, known for their reliability and consistent performance. These stocks are often a safe bet for investors. Understand the difference between qualified and non-qualified dividends. This knowledge can affect your tax situation and investment strategy. Keep an eye on economic indicators that can impact dividend stocks. Understanding market trends will help you make informed investment decisions. Consider the importance of dividend growth rates in your investing strategy. Companies that can grow their dividends often signal strong financial health. Investigate international dividend stocks as part of your portfolio diversification. They can offer unique opportunities and risks. Stay informed on dividend cuts and how they can affect your investments. Understanding the market landscape is vital for proactive management. Develop a disciplined approach to dividend investing. Emotional decision-making can lead to poor investment choices. Stick to your strategy. Utilize financial apps to track your dividend investments. Technology can simplify your investment journey and keep you organized. Review your investment strategy regularly to adapt to changing market conditions. Flexibility can be key to long-term success. Learn from successful dividend investors. Reading about their strategies can inspire and inform your own investment approach. Celebrate your investment milestones, no matter how small. Recognizing progress can motivate you to stay committed to your financial goals. To watch more videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.